Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are in the world. Jazz Trades here coming at you with another stream. Today I am up $5. Well, actually, today I'm up $252.10. Brought my drawdown back up to 750. This week was just basically back and forth, kind of a constant battle, right? But this is where the patience, discipline, and structure comes in. Okay? Got to be willing to lose, got to be willing to ride your gains, and got to be willing to walk away. All right? Now, yesterday I lost $340. Okay? Not today, but yesterday I lost $340. And I still have not recovered fully yet. Okay? I've only made 253. But I'm in a 1 micro long because it's Friday. We got about 40 minutes left in this hour. And usually they like to pump it a little at this time. Okay? So I'm going to put my stop at the low for today. Right? I know a lot of you guys like to read liquidity sweeps and all that. So on the hourly, you could just see that it swept down below this and came back up. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that is a liquidity sweep, right? Yeah, I could be wrong there, but anyway. Yeah, we're mainly trading the micro E-mini S&P 500. So this represents the S&P 500 price. There's two types of futures contracts. Okay, there's the micro contract and the mini contract. Okay. The mini contract equates to about 50 points. Okay, so each dollar that it goes up or down, depending on your position. Okay, in this case, let's just say long. Okay, we're in a 1 mini long, not 1 micro like I am now, but a 1 mini long. Right now, I'd be up $50, just about. Okay, obviously that leverage is too high for me. Considering the fact that I want to put my stop at 64.55, which is about, 15 points from my entry. Okay, so do 15 times 5, that's 15, 30, 45, 60. That's a $75 loss if it goes against me. Okay. Again, for those of you who are here, I appreciate it. I will be right back. Okay, just need to use the restroom really quick. What is up? I'm back. Just had to use the restroom really quick. For those of you with any questions, please let me know. I'm opening up my chat box right now. All right, chat box is open. But yeah, anyway, I'm in on this trade because right now it's the end of the day pretty much. We got about 33 minutes left in this hourly candle. Usually on Fridays, they like to pump price. Sometimes it's actually between 1 to 2, but I am playing this hourly just to see what happens. And I have a stop at 64.55 for a minus $75. I already have made $247 today. That was while I was sleeping. But then I woke up early and sold it and then went back to sleep. All right, so I'm going to do a YouTube video now. I'm going to click on record. Record. Hello, hello. All right. Let's turn up a little bit. Hello. No. Let's see. Hello. All right. That's good. What is going on? All right. Start recording. What is going on, YouTube viewers of the Tube? Jazz Trades here, coming at you with another YouTube video. Currently down $7, but earlier today I was up $247 to $248. Okay, right now I'm risking $75 because there's about 30 minutes left in this New York session, and I'm super excited about it. But then again, you know, maybe nothing happens, right? Maybe nothing. Looking at gold, almost doing that again. We're literally approaching all-time highs again. That's exciting. MCL, it's micro crude oil. Don't really trade that. Lean hogs. I think I was showing a friend, some stuff. But yeah, this is the micro E-mini S&P 500, and usually on Fridays they like to pump it. Oh shit! Somebody's calling me. We will continue on with the YouTube video. All right. Anyway. This week has been kind of a roller coaster ride, okay? A couple days ago, I lost $340, all right? Which put me down to the low 400s. Today, I'm up $250, and yesterday, I think I did a small trade, did well on it. Bottom line is, I'm back at the $750 left, to trade with, and we're just $550 into the position sizing that we need to get to. I think it's 1670, but just to confirm, I will go ahead and click on one of these. Okay. No, maybe it's not report. Just give me a second, guys. All right. Might be over here. No. No. Where is it? It's here, isn't it? It's got to be here. And then what do I do? Mm, no. It's actually on the Tradeify website. So let me just go ahead and give me a second. All right. Let me just go ahead and click on Tradeify. All right, this is the guy. He's actually basically my age, which is pretty cool. Let me just do this on myself, on my own. Type in the numbers now. Okay. The password. All right. Basically waiting for that to load in. But yeah, I am playing absolutely nothing really. I don't have any analysis going on. The reason why I opened up the short yesterday, though, was because you can see here that all week this week, okay, RSI has been going relatively down while the price has been going relatively up. That, all in all, is a bearish divergence, okay? I like those because I like those because eventually the price does go down, and that was today. Okay. Do I wish I had held on to my trade? Yes. But the problem with that is that Tradeify has I signed in, by the way. Tradeify has a consistency rule. Okay. And I have to, my biggest day, it says right there, my biggest day was $338.10. Okay. Let me just go ahead and zoom in for those of you who can't see. That should be better. Yeah, consistency is $338.10. Okay, that's my biggest day. Profits since payout $299. Now it's $750. Okay. Profit required to reach 20% consistency is $16.90 and 50 cents. So I have to actually reach. So I have to actually reach 26,690.50. So 26,690.50 in order for me to pull out $1,000 from each account. The way Tradeify works is they'll allow you to pull out up to 4 times. After your fourth pull out, they move you to live, right? And then from there, you know my journey. Going from 5 Tradeify accounts to 11 Billinox accounts to 5 Take Profit Trader accounts, 21 streams of income in total. And then, again, you know, using the slow and steady wins the race method, the more accounts we grow, right, the bigger the pullouts, basically. This is the idea that I have in my head. And I am documenting the whole process, okay? And basically, the whole thing's exciting. Okay, we're going from 21 streams of income to eventually 41 streams of income with Apex, and we're just keeping it that. Okay, these prop firms have been around for a while now. Tradeify, I have a little bit more trust in them than I'd like. Okay, I've pulled out from Tick quite often. Tick Trader was kind of like my go-to for pullouts. And they were really easy. Okay, I remember I got a $10,000 account, and all I needed to do was make $1,000, and every time I was above that, I would pull out some money. And I think I pulled out around 15, 20K from Tick. You know, as a trader in the prop firm space, is pretty good. The same thing's going to happen with Tradeify before they move me to live, and before they put me through this program. That's pretty cool. And I'll go more into more detail about it during my prop firm journey. But Take Profit Trader, they will keep you in the sim environment, which is what I want. Bulinox, same thing. They'll keep you in the sim environment. And Apex, they're a little different. They say you go to live at some point. Okay. Speaking of Apex, they have a 90% off sale right now. And you can click on my link below or use my my affiliate code to get that discount. Okay? You guys are wanting that. But yeah, everything will be down below. If you guys are interested in following my journey, please do. It's super exciting. I know it's kind of boring, but boring is best. Slow and steady wins the race is best for this kind of thing. Building a business is not easy, and it takes a long-ass time. Now, I did take a break this summer, but I'm still using the same accounts that I was a few months ago. Okay? And we're getting serious. So for the next 9 months or so, I'm hoping to get 5 Tradify accounts, at least 4 pullouts from them. 11 Bulinox accounts, at least 2 pullouts from them, 2 to 3. And Take Profit Trader, at least 1 before I move on to Apex Trader Funding, which is 20. Now, with that said, okay, I also talk about cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency is, one of my main things. I love to invest. And for those of you who are interested in cryptocurrencies, I like to do content on cryptocurrencies via the weekends. Okay? And I plan on doing shorts again to attract more viewers, because the more viewers I have, the more exciting it is for me to teach. So thank you for subscribing. Thank you to my loyal followers. Really appreciate it. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace out, and good luck with your trading careers. All right, guys, I'm still streaming. That was my YouTube video that I just filmed. Pretty exciting stuff. I'm excited for everything, that has to do with this trading journey of mine. And I think you guys should be too. So, for those of you who are watching my streams, really appreciate it. Go ahead and give me a follow. And I'll continue on with this content. I'm just going to wait for 20 minutes here until the trade's done. I'm not really interested in trading between 1 to 2, because in most cases, that shit doesn't even work out anyway. Still down about $11 for the day. Yeah, again, I'm not seeing a single thing here except for maybe an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Um, I'll be right back. Right back. Sorry, I haven't really checked my chat. All right, nobody in my chat. That's fine. Anyone with any questions, just let me know. All right, I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and post that YouTube video. I'm just going to do it over here. Okay. File, show recordings. Okay. All right. Channel. Create, upload video. All right, we are up $12 on this trade. Let's go. All right. Okay. There it is. All right, we're back down. Got 10 minutes left. Not sure what is going to happen between now and then, but all right, $2.50. Starting to get choppy. Last 10 minutes here. That's kind of what it's supposed to do, honestly. It's supposed to be choppy. Oh, damn. We're down $30. Boring. Boring, boring, boring. Da 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 dum da dum da 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 da. What do you guys think? Am I gonna get stopped out here? All right. Cool, cool. We're gonna post my video here soon. All right, 4 minutes left in this hour. Literally nothing has happened. We shall see. Maybe the longs are a bit tired today. All right, we're up $30. I'm taking it. Woohoo! I think I got 40. No, just 30, 36. All right. Guys, in total, up $286 today. Almost recovered from my $340 loss yesterday. Like I was saying, things have been choppy this week, but for somebody who's been trading for a long time, you just got to be chillaxed, you know? Relaxed, chillaxed. Just chill out, you know? Things are tough sometimes when you trade. You know, sometimes you're back and forth. Sometimes you have the best weeks ever. You think you're a genius. Other times you're losing your ass, and all you got to do is hang in there, okay? So, yeah, we're sticking to it. You know, I'm still $585 in profit. I've been trading now for the last month and a half, okay? And things have been choppy. So, hoping for a break, hoping for a good week next week. I think I'm going to keep things small. As soon as I started doing 3 micros, things kind of went to shit. So, we're just going to stick with 1 micros from here on out, right? And just kind of progress forward. Again, I'm going from 5 Tradeify accounts to 11 Buellanox accounts to 5 Take Profit Trader accounts and 20 Apex accounts. Now, right now, Apex has a sale for 90% off. That's pretty exciting. It's going on for about 4 more days. I have my link down below for that discount if you want, or you can use my code JazzTrades, all caps. Again, that's JazzTrades, all caps. You get 90% off. Okay, guys, have a wonderful evening, morning, night, wherever you are in the world. Appreciate you tuning in.